Overhead triceps extension. Sit on the chair with your feet about hip width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand behind your neck, elbows bent and point towards the ceiling. Press the weights together so that they are touching and pull your elbows in as close to your head as you can. This is the starting position. Without moving your upper arms, straighten your elbows and extend the weights directly overhead. Keep your shoulders down. Your core should be tight and your arms as close to your head as possible. Pause for a second, then slowly lower the weights back down behind your head. This is one repetition. Breathing. Lifting up, breathe out. Going down, breathe in. Tempo. Lifting up for the count of 1 and 2, going down for the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue for the desired number of repetitions. Avoid following errors. Avoid opening the elbow away from your head. Avoid straining your neck. Thank you.